Welcome. If you're looking to cut down on distractions and stay focused while using LinkedIn, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to disable in-app notifications for page updates on LinkedIn, right from your PC, using the latest update. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to linkedin.com. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the page for your profile icon labeled Me. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account settings, where you'll find a host of options to customize your LinkedIn experience. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a list. Click on Notifications. This is where you control what LinkedIn tells you about and how often. Now scroll through the notification categories until you find Pages. Click on Pages and you'll see several options related to the pages you follow or manage. Here, look for the section called Page Updates. This is the setting that controls whether you get in-app notifications when there are updates from pages. To disable these notifications, simply toggle off the switch next to in-app notifications. Once you do this, LinkedIn will stop sending you pop-up alerts about new page updates while you're browsing the site. And that's it. You've successfully turned off in-app notifications for page updates on LinkedIn. You can always come back and re-enable them if you want to stay updated in the future. Customizing your notifications is a great way to keep your LinkedIn experience relevant and free from unnecessary interruptions. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more streamlined LinkedIn experience.